This is our office slash warehouse. We got carpets in the office, and the warehouse was concrete flooring. Ask me, as a guy in the vacuum industry, which vacuum we use to clean our facility. The Henry PPR-240 is a vacuum cleaner I can sell into pretty much any commercial application that doesn't have any wet uses. And I'd be able to sleep at night just fine because I know the customer is gonna love it. I use it literally ourselves. We use it for our own facility. But why? And what is so special about the PPR-40, especially compared to like a Henry, regular Henry, the HVR-200? It's the same motor, so the power is the same. Suction is the same. It's actually just a little bigger. It's got a longer cord, much nicer rewind option there. But the most important thing is, in a commercial setting, the most damaged part that we ever would get back in any vacuum cleaner is going to be the cord. You're in the middle of a job site at midnight, because that's when most commercial cleaning companies clean offices and whatnot, and the cord gets cut. You got nothing as an option for you to do except for waiting for the next business day for a vacuum cleaner store to open up so you can go and get it in service and have it there for a week. However, with the Henry PPR-240, there is the option of you doing all of that by yourself, making sure your job is done in time without you having to take the vacuum in for service. Why? Because the PPR-240 has the plug on the outside. So if I wanted to, I can just have a spare cord and literally change the cord mechanism myself at the job site without any downtime. Again, this is a commercial vacuum, so time is money, and you don't want to leave your job site without the work done.